Woodworking doesn't have to break the bank. Today, I'm sharing 12 incredible tools between $20 and $60 on Amazon that will make your projects easier, faster, and way more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned DIYer, these tools pack serious value without draining your wallet. Let's dive in. Number 1. The Festool 489570 screw clamps are built for precision and stability, especially when working with Festool's guide rail system or the MFD3 table. With a clamping width of 120 millimeters, or about 4 and 11/16 inches, they're designed to lock your material or guide rail firmly in place during cutting or routing. Each clamp is made from solid steel, giving it the strength and durability needed for demanding shop work. The slim profile allows it to slide easily into the lower groove of the guide rail, where it holds securely without shifting. That means cleaner, more accurate cuts and greater confidence when working with sheet goods or long boards. Many woodworkers appreciate how seamlessly these clamps integrate with Festool systems, turning the guide rail into a rock-solid reference edge. Simple, strong, and dependable, they're a small accessory that makes a big difference in accuracy. Number 2. The Craig 5mm shelf pin jig is a simple but powerful tool for building or customizing shelving. It's designed to drill perfectly straight, evenly spaced holes, so your shelves sit level and secure every time. The hardened steel drill guides are spaced at 32 millimeters, which is the standard for shelf pins. That means you get consistent, professional-looking results without measuring and marking each hole by hand. The included 5mm drill bit, depth collar, and locating pin makes setup quick and accurate, while the adjustable fence helps you keep everything aligned. For larger projects, the jig extender lets you connect multiple sections together, creating long rows of evenly spaced holes. Many woodworkers like it for cabinet building, bookcases, or upgrading existing furniture with adjustable shelves. Backed by Craig's lifetime warranty on the drill guides, this jig is a reliable, go-to tool for anyone who wants clean, precise shelf pin holes with minimal effort. Number 3. The Klein Tools 935 DAG is a compact digital level and angle gauge that brings accuracy and convenience to a wide range of tasks. It can measure angles from 0 to 90 degrees, or 0 to 180 degrees, making it useful for everything from woodworking setups to conduit bending. One of its most practical features is the zero calibration function, which lets you check relative angles quickly. The reverse contrast display is easy to read in low light, and it automatically rotates when the tool is upside down, so you can always see your measurements clearly. The strong magnetic base attaches securely to saw blades, pipes, ducts, or any ferromagnetic surface, giving you hands-free stability. V-groove edges add extra alignment accuracy when working with round stock like conduit or pipe. Durable, precise, and easy to use, this digital angle gauge is a reliable helper for anyone who needs consistent, accurate measurements on the job or in the shop. Number 4. The Craig Drawer Front Mounting Tool Pro Kit takes the guesswork out of installing drawer fronts. Designed for professional-grade results, it helps you set consistent gaps and reveals every time, whether you're working on kitchen cabinets, office drawers, or custom furniture. The kit includes 7 setup and spacer shims, which make it easy to position drawer fronts with up to 3/8 of an inch side clearance. Once in place, the thick steel construction keeps everything stable, while the GripMax anti-slip surface holds securely without shifting. Using the system is straightforward. Just clamp, align, and attach. The process is quick, repeatable, and eliminates the frustration of uneven drawer spacing. Many woodworkers appreciate how much time it saves during cabinet builds, especially when working with multiple drawers in a row. Durable, accurate, and easy to use, this mounting kit is a reliable way to achieve clean, professional-looking drawer installations. Number 5. The Craig 90-degree corner clamp is designed to make assembling boxes, drawers, cabinets, and cases much easier. It holds two pieces of wood at a perfect right angle, so your joint stays square while you fasten them together. Thanks to Craig's AutoMax technology, the clamp automatically adjusts to different material thicknesses, up to 1 inch, without any extra setup. That means you can switch between stock sizes quickly and still get a tight, accurate hold. Another smart feature is the built-in hole that allows you to drive a Craig screw directly through the clamp without removing it. This keeps everything aligned while you secure the joint, saving time and reducing frustration. With its sturdy build and simple operation, this corner clamp is a reliable helper for anyone building furniture, cabinetry, or storage boxes. It's one of those tools that makes joinery faster, cleaner, and far more precise. Number 6. The Craig Hardware Jig Pro is designed to take the frustration out of installing cabinet knobs and drawer pulls. Built from heavy-duty aluminum, it's a durable, professional-grade tool that ensures your hardware is positioned accurately every time. The jig is fully adjustable, fitting pulls from 1 3/4 inches all the way up to 12 inches center to center. That versatility makes it a reliable choice whether you're working on small drawers, wide cabinet doors, or a full kitchen installation. A laser-etched scale and movable end stop make it easy to set consistent spacing, so every handle lines up perfectly. The steel drill guides keep your bit steady, preventing wandering and ensuring clean, repeatable holes. Setup is quick and intuitive, which means both beginners and pros can achieve flawless results without extra measuring or guesswork. For anyone upgrading cabinets or building furniture, this jig is a real time saver that delivers precision and consistency. Number 7. The Bosch 91-piece drilling and driving set is an all-in-one solution for just about any fastening or drilling task around the shop, garage, or home. Inside the tough, portable case, you'll find a wide variety of driver bits, drill bits, and accessories, everything organized and ready to go. The driver bits are designed to grip screws securely while reducing wear on the screw head, and the split-point drill bits make for clean, easy starts in wood, metal, masonry, and more. You'll also find brad point bits for precise woodworking, titanium bits for durability, and rotary masonry bits for tougher materials. Accessories like nut setters, a countersink, bit holder, ratchet screwdriver, and even a magnetic extension pen round out the kit, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're tackling a DIY project, assembling furniture, or working on a job site, this Bosch set keeps the right bit at your fingertips, organized, portable, and ready for anything. Number 8. The Bosch ROS 10 Palm Random Orbit Sander is built to deliver smooth, swirl-free finishes with ease. Powered by a 2.5 amp motor, it runs at 12,000 orbits per minute, giving you fast material removal while still leaving a clean surface. Its random orbit action combines both pad rotation and orbiting movement, blending sanding patterns for an ultra-smooth finish. To help prevent swirl marks, Bosch includes an integral pad dampening braking system, which slows the pad down evenly when you lift it off the workpiece. The hook and loop disc attachment makes swapping sanding discs quick and secure, while the microcellular backing pad provides consistent pressure for fine, detailed finishes. Compact and comfortable in the hand, this sander is ideal for prepping wood, smoothing edges, or finishing furniture projects. Reliable, efficient, and easy to control, the ROS 10 is a solid choice for anyone who wants professional quality sanding results in a lightweight palm sander. Number 9. The Klein tools behind the head earmuffs are designed to keep your hearing protected in noisy environments like construction sites, workshops, or manufacturing floors. With a noise reduction rating of 25 decibels, they provide reliable protection while still being comfortable enough for all-day wear. Their unique behind-the-head design makes them versatile, especially when paired with hard hats or other head protection. When you're not using them, the pivoting mechanism lets the earmuffs rest comfortably around your neck, so they're always within reach. The angled foam cushions create a snug acoustic seal without adding pressure, and the slim, low-profile cups keep the earmuffs lightweight and easy to wear for long stretches. Many users appreciate how they balance safety with comfort, making them a practical choice for woodworking, maintenance, or any job where noise is a constant factor. Durable, comfortable, and protective, these earmuffs are a smart addition to any safety gear kit. Number 10. The Scale 6-amp belt sander is built for power, precision, and ease of use. With a 3-inch by 18-inch sanding surface, it delivers plenty of coverage, while the 6-amp motor provides the strength to handle any type of wood surface. One of its standout features is the pressure control technology. It automatically warns you when too much pressure is applied, helping you maintain the right touch for smooth, even results. The auto-track belt alignment keeps the sanding belt centered, so you can focus on your work instead of constant adjustments. For a cleaner workspace, the microfiltration system captures fine dust particles, and the sander is vacuum compatible, fitting standard 1 1/4-inch hoses. Plus, with flush edge sanding, you can sand right up to the edge of your workpiece for maximum capacity. Powerful, smart, and efficient, this Scale belt sander is a reliable tool for both heavy stock removal and fine finishing. Number 11. The DeWalt DWS 50-100 dual-port rip guide is a lightweight, durable accessory designed to expand the ripping capacity of your circular saw. On the left side, it provides up to 12 inches of ripping width, perfect for common cuts like stair treads and risers. On the right side, it extends even further, offering up to 14.5 inches for wider rip cuts. Made from strong but lightweight aluminum, it's easy to carry around the job site without sacrificing durability. When you're done, the guide folds down to just 19 inches long by 3 inches wide, making it compact enough for storage in a toolbox or bag. For accuracy, the permanently laser-etched markings ensure fast, precise settings that won't fade over time. Whether you're tackling trim work, cabinetry, or larger construction projects, this rip guide adds portability, precision, and efficiency to your saw setup. Number 12. The Black Plus Decker Workmate Portable Workbench is a compact, versatile solution for projects in the garage, workshop, or even on the go. Built with a durable steel frame and sturdy wooden vise jaws, it can support up to 350 pounds, plenty of strength for most DIY and woodworking tasks. One of its standout features is the adjustable swivel pegs, which make it easy to clamp irregular or uniquely shaped materials. The jaws resist warping and can even be angled, giving you more flexibility than a standard flat vise. With a parallel clamping capacity of 4 5/8 inches, it handles a wide range of workpieces securely. Despite its strength, the Workmate is lightweight and folds flat for easy storage or transport. Slip-resistant feet keep it steady while you work, so you can focus on the task at hand. Strong, portable, and adaptable, this workbench is a reliable helper for any DIYer.